Bakit si Hana? Let me give you 3 reasons why you should settle with Hana.
Number one reason is you have to consider the location. Strategically located in the heart of General Trias, Cavite, kaya sure na magbe-benefit ang mga residente sa lahat ng road networks at major roads like Cavitex, Arnaldo Highway, at ang bagong Calax. General Trias is the fastest growing city in Cavite. So, dyan ang Calax, Evo City, Maple Grove, River Park, kung saan located ang upcoming SM General Trias. Siguradong napaka-beneficial nito sa mga taga Cavite dahil magka-create ito ng upcoming jobs at mga businesses. Imagine, living in the area na kapitbahay mo lang ang naglalakihang mga establishment. Number 3, appreciation value. At dahil sa dami ng development around the area, siguradong ang worth ng value ng property mo ay magiging doble o triple. So, pwede kang mag-earn for house reselling and rental business.